What's Gucci, sis? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. Don't mind my hair because we just took it fresh out the box. Now today's unit is from Beauty Forever. I'm all over the place, sorry. I've done videos for them before, so this isn't my first time working with them. Today we got us a this is not a water wave, this is a deep wave unit lace front wig. She is 24 inches if I'm not mistaken, and she is a natural color. The lace front portion looks like that. This wig is a very full wig. It's not a lot of parting space, I'm not gonna lie to you, so this is as long as the part is going to get, but the wig is really full, so we love that. It's always a great time. I don't know, this just looks, if I got it together, I think this would be cute, a cute little vibe. On the inside of the cap, we've got, like I said, this is not my first time working with them, but we got 3 combs, one in the back, an adjustable strap. I look crazy. And then yeah, so I am going to cut the lace on sis, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with her. This baby hair is kind of killing my vibe just a little bit. My name, if you claim you want me, it ain't nothing. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to do half up, half down, but we're gonna have the 2 little bang pieces, not even really bang pieces, but that out in the front. So I love this half up, half down messy look. I gotta touch her up, of course. I gotta get this part in order, and then we also need to cut the lace. But as you can see, the hairline is looking like that. Oh, I like this messy look. All right, I'm gonna cut the lace and then I'm gonna be back. So this is the look that I came up with. It is super messy, but that's the look that I was going for. I am going to do a second video on this wig. I don't know what kind of style we're gonna do, but it's gonna be something cute just like this one. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on sis will be in the description box down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.